Myself Dr. Tanisha Rana. I am a general dentist practicing at Dr. Sachin Mittal's Advanced Dentistry. Today I am going to talk to you about a very common problem that most of us individuals face, that is clenching or grinding of your teeth. You may notice this while you are doing some activity subconsciously, or you are sitting idle and doing it unconsciously. One of the very most common problem is night grinding also. Many of you must have faced that your family member has told you are grinding your teeth during the night. This may be due to stress. When you are clenching or grinding your teeth, you are knowingly or unknowingly putting a lot of pressure on your teeth. This condition is known as bruxism. Sleep bruxism is a condition when you unconsciously grind your teeth, which may be due to many reasons like snoring, disturbed sleep, and pauses in breathing. Since it is sleep bruxism, you may not know about it until complications develop. So it is very important for you to know signs and symptoms of this so that you can seek your dental care. Signs and symptoms include worn out teeth, chipped off teeth, fractured teeth, sensitivity in your teeth, earache, headache, neck pain. So what is the treatment for this? The most common treatment is a mouth guard or a night guard. A night guard is an appliance which is worn overnight between your upper and lower teeth to prevent the grinding of your teeth against each other. It is a very soft appliance that helps to relax your oral muscles. It does not prevent you from grinding or clenching your teeth, but it prevents your teeth from further damage. There are several designs and styles of mouth guard available to assist your treatment. Your dentist can design your custom mouth guard for maximum protection from additional tooth wear. So, are there any medications for this? No, there are no medications for this treatment because medicines are not effective. You can have medications like muscle relaxants for your jaw pain. You can have medications for anxiety and stress management. You can have medications sleep related problems. If you have any questions or any doubt, you can comment in the comment section below. Thank you.